Hi everybody, I want to tell you guys a little bit about your Sunprint kit that you're going to find in your Art Lab Camp in a Box. So one thing you're going to find is a black plastic bag. It says do not open. This is your Sunprint paper. So this is photographic paper. The minute you take it out and expose it to light, it's going to start exposing. So you don't want to do that until you're ready to do this project. So make sure you do not open this until you're really ready. You have some materials to get ready before you can take that out. So you have some Sunprint paper in there. These came from these kits that you can order. If you're interested in doing more of these, your kit should have 2 pieces of Sunprint paper for each child. So if you ordered a box for 2 or 3 siblings in the same family, all your paper is in this same bag, okay? And then you're also going to have a piece of acrylic, a piece of plexiglass in this brown paper bag. There's only one of these, so if you have 2 or 3 kids in your family, you'll share this. You'll just be doing one print at a time, so that'll work out just fine. So I'm just going to show you how we're going to assemble your sun prints, and then you can try it out for yourself, but this way you'll know the proper way to put them together. So you're going to want to find a piece of cardboard. You might even be able to source that from one of the boxes that are in your camp bags, okay? So let me just put this down here. Your first layer is going to be cardboard, and then you're going to want to find some. You want to go outside before you take your Sunprint paper out or anything. Find some natural items. I've got some flowers from sage here. These are just leaves from dandelions, and you can practice laying these out on your cardboard. But what we're going to do is actually make a little sandwich. So this piece of paper is going to stand in for my Sunprint paper, which I'm not putting out quite yet. But they're about this size. Some of them are a little smaller, like this size, kind of square. So I'm just going to lay these out here. You can play around with that a little bit before you get your paper out. And then once you have your paper on here, you're going to use this piece of acrylic. This is just to hold these items down so they don't blow away, okay? So this is not really part of the photographic process that happens with the sun, but this means that when you have this outside, your paper won't blow away. So when you have your acrylic, your natural items, your cardboard, all of that kind of stuff, you're going to head outside on a nice, bright, sunny day. You do need to do this on a bright, sunny day. An overcast day might not work as well. You're going to lay your cardboard down on the ground outside. You're going to have this bag accessible. You might want to go ahead and take the tape off or cut along the top so you can quickly pull out a piece of paper. You're going to lay your Sunprint paper down. You're going to lay your objects down, and then you're going to put your acrylic, and then you're going to stand back because if you stand right over this, your shadow will block the sun, and we are using the sun to make our print. You can actually see on the cover of this kit, they use some buttons, which you could also try. You don't have to use natural objects. You can use some 3-dimensional objects from your house. You can give that a try. So you're going to wait between 1 and 5 minutes, just depending on the sun. You can kind of tell by looking at it when it's been exposed. And then when you've waited for between 1 and 5 minutes, you take your acrylic off, you'll take your objects off, and then you're going to take your Sunprint paper. Now you'll see some designs on it that were made by the sun and by your objects, and you're just going to rinse your paper off in water for maybe like a minute or so, maybe even less than that. You're just going to you're basically just taking off the photographic chemicals that are on this paper. And then you just want to bring your paper inside and let it dry, and you're going to see a really cool print appear that you made with the power of the sun. So enjoy doing that. If you do have any questions, let me know, and I will be happy to consult with you. All right, have fun.